Hey everyone, welcome back to Brad and Prad. This is the first video of the Python series officially. So if you haven't checked the intro, go just check out the intro. I'll be giving that in the description. The intro has the whole agenda of the series, the whole thing that we are planning. In this video, we'll set up each and everything that you ever need to start coding in Python. We'll start with installing Python and then installing VS Code and then finally running your first program in Python. But then in between, I'll explain a bit about environment variables అంటే ఏంటివి. What is that path that is, మీరు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసేటప్పుడు path అని అడుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. What is that path? I'll explain each and everything. So make sure you don't skip the video anywhere. And without no late, let's just go into the video. So intro చూస్తుంటే you might have got an idea. We'll keep the videos very simple. Already I've told you all of these things. Today agenda, installing Python, installing VS Code, and then running the first Python program. For that, I've kept my browser windows ready. So let's get started. Okay, so head on to your browser. Over tab gali, just search for Python. That's it. Search for Python. Simple. When you search, the first website you'll get is Python ka official website. Go to python.org. When you click this link, it will open up Python ka official website. That is where you find everything related to Python. So, ikkada meer chuste you'll have this download section, and then you have all of your releases Python right from starting Python to మొన్న 3.13 వరకు. It has all of the releases, source codes and everything. So I'm currently telling this now for Windows PCs. So just open your Windows, and then these are all the set of compatible installations for Windows. So you can choose any installation. You can choose any version of Python, but then the steps would be exactly same. So I'm going to be going with Python 3.12.9 because my existing projects run with Python 3.12.9. So you can install any package, guys. That's your wish. You can install any version of Python. So just go to Python 3.12.9. Here it is. Most probably you will have 64-bit machines. So and that will install an exe for you. Just click on it. Oh, it's already installed. So along with that, we'll just install VS Code. So what is VS Code? VS Code is like your Iron Man suit. Literally, it has a lot of things. But VS Code is a text editor. But then దానికున్న capabilities have made it a beast. Okay, it supports Python, it supports C, C++, Java, JavaScript, whatnot. Literally, it is very customizable. It has many features and it is very lightweight. And Microsoft already. And it has even these features like GitHub Copilot, and it supports many other extensions. So we'll just install that. Just go over to your browser. Just go to your browser and just search for VS Code download. That's it, guys. VS Code download. First link వస్తుంది. Just click on this link and it will open up this site for you. Simple. You have Mac, you have Windows, you have Linux. Me system. Whatever device you have, you just need to choose that. Mine is a Windows machine, so I'll just click Windows. And I have already installed it, but I'll install that for you guys again. So here's my VS Code getting installed. Learn అయిపోయింది. Okay, guys, so what have we done until now? We installed Python exe, we installed VS Code exe. What I did was I kept both of them at a single place so that I can explain you easily. Now let's just click this install button, but before that, I just want to show you guys that my system doesn't have Python. Yep. How do I know whether my system has Python or not? Simple. You just click Windows R and a panel opens up just like this, and you hit CMD in it and you click enter. Now when you do that, it will open you up a command prompt. This is the command prompt. It opens up where you can run commands. Simple. Now, what is the command I should run to check whether my Python is installed or if any other system has Python or not? Simple. Just go Python and type J. Done. You hit enter. If you have Python, then it will say some other message. చూపిస్తాదేంటో. But if you don't have Python, this is how it responds. ఏమని? That there is no program and command such as Python. So there is no Python ani. We got clarification, right? Now we'll go back to our installation page. This is where we have our exes, executable files. Manam install chesinavi. So I'll just double click on this Python exe. That opened up me a menu. Ikkada enti? So I don't need any customized installation. Enduku? I'm not a contributor to original source code of Python, nor I'm not building any packages ఎప్పుడైతే. I'm just a regular Python developer who wants to learn Python. So you need to click this, the install now. But దానికంటే ముందు there are 2 other checkboxes down there. అవి చాలా crucial. Just watch them. First, use admin privileges while installing py.exe. ఇది ఏంటి అంటే నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఒక అకౌంట్లో లాగిన్ అయినావు అంటే ఏంటి యూజర్స్ అనుకుంటూ నీ పేరు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ అకౌంట్. సో ఇది క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ అకౌంట్, ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఆర్ 2 to 3 అకౌంట్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ పీసీ అండ్ నువ్వు ఈ అకౌంట్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి ఆ టిక్ చేసావంటే ఇన్ ఎనీ అదర్ అకౌంట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ట్రై టు రన్ ద కమాండ్ దట్ ఐ షోన్ బిఫోర్ పైథాన్ అని, దాట్ విల్ వర్క్. అంటే ఏంటి, ఆ ఈఎక్సీ అనేది మొత్తం సిస్టమ్కి వ్యాలిడ్ అవుతుంది. అది దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ చెక్ బాక్స్. నౌ ద సెకండ్ వన్, యాడ్ python.exe to path. This is a very crucial step, guys. So make sure you listen properly. Path ఏంటి అంటే ఎన్వైర్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ అని కొన్ని ఉంటాయి. ఎన్వైర్మెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎన్వైర్మెంట్ అంటే నేను ఉన్న ప్లేస్. ఇక్కడ నేను అంటే పైథాన్. సో సిస్టమ్కి ఈ పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకొని నాకు రన్ చేసి పెట్టు అంటే సిస్టమ్ దగ్గర ఈ పైథాన్ అనే ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎక్కడుందో ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ దట్ ఐడియా, it won't execute, and it would simply say that error that python command is not found. Simple. So enti idi click cheste system will know that python ikkada undi, so ee file తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ రన్ చేయాలి నేను. సో అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తుంది ఆ ఫైల్ని, అంతే, సింపుల్. ఇప్పుడు మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ ఫేస్ ద ఇష్యూ వేర్ దే డోంట్ క్లిక్ ద పాత్. అప్పుడు కూడా నేను పాత్ ఎలా సెట్ చేయాలో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ చెప్తా. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నేను కావాలని వాంటెడ్లీ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ క్లికింగ్ దాట్ పాత్. సో ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ క్లికింగ్ దాట్ అడ్మిన్ చెక్ బాక్స్, సారీ. ఎందుకంటే ఐ వాంట్ మై పైథాన్ టు బి ఇన్స్టాల్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి దాంట్లో ప్రతి యూజర్కి ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం బొక్క, ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఇస్ మై ల్యాప్టాప్ కాబట్టి. అండ్ దెన్ ఐమ్ నాట్ క్లికింగ్ దట్ పాత్ చెక్ బాక్స్ అండ్ ఐల్ జస్ట్ సే ఇన్స్టాల్ నౌ, అంతే. అండ్ దట్ స్టార్ట్స్ యువర్ పైథాన్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్.
A few moments later.
The Python installation is done. Setup successful. ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసుకుందాం పైథాన్ ఉందో లేదో అని. ఐ జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ దిస్ అండ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను మళ్ళీ అదే టర్మినల్కి వచ్చాను విచ్ యూ హెవ్ సీన్ బిఫోర్. ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ డూ పైథాన్ ఇస్ ఇట్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ హ్యాపెండ్. ప్రాబ్లమ్ మీరు అనుకుండొచ్చు టర్మినల్ రీస్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఇట్ మైట్ హ్యావ్ వర్క్డ్ అని. లెట్స్ సీ ద సేమ్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ డూ Windows R and then hit CMD. It opened up a command prompt. Put, I'll just zoom in and I'll just say Python. That's it. Python ledu. So why it's not there? It's installed, but due to me not setting that path variable, the Python installation is incomplete. How to fix that? Let's see. Let's clear this. Let's close this terminal. Now, just hit Windows on your PC and then search for environment variables. Ikkada click on this environment variables button and then go to your user variables. Andulo you will see something called path. Click on edit. You will see all of the paths that you have on your PC. So ikkada, now I'll tell you what's going to happen. Now Python is installed on your PC at some location. Ippudu enti, only at that location you can run Python. You can't run Python anywhere because wherever you run, the system doesn't know where is that software to run the Python program. Okay, I'll show you that demo. I'll just do Windows and I'll search for Python. I see the 3.12.9 installation. So I'll just, open file location. It opened up. There is a shortcut for Python 64-bit. I'll open that also. Just open the file location of that. Now this is where your Python exists. Okay. Let's see if I am able to access Python from this location or not. Okay, I will just open up a terminal right here and I'll see whether my Python exists or not. So I'll just take off this path and I'll click CMD right here to open a command prompt at that location. And how to check Python? A simple command. Just hit Python. That's it. Oh my god. ఇంతకు ముందు వచ్చిన మెసేజ్ రాలేదు. So this is a different message indicating that I have seen Python. So at this location Python is there. But then the system should know that wherever you run any Python file, that should come, take the software from here, run your program and give you the results. Okay, what to do? ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి అంటే we will tell that system that భయ్యా విను, The Python software is right at this path. You go there and you run my Python program if I run it from any path. So how do I do it? I just copy the path. I'll go to my environment variables. I will, I'll click new and I will paste my path right there. That's it. I hit OK and I hit OK again and I hit OK again. Now it's time to verify if Python is available at any location in your system or not. How do I do it? Simple thing. You just do Windows R. It opens up a panel. You just hit CMD there. You hit enter. A command prompt opens up and then, just full screen out. Just do Python. Boom. Right now you have your Python accessible from anywhere in your system so that you can write your Python programs from anywhere. Let's just exit this. We have exited that. Let's just close this off. And guys, now it's time for installing your friendly code editor, VS Code. VS Code installation is the most simplest thing that you can ever do. I'll just guide you through some basic steps, okay? This is the exe that I've installed right in the start. I'll double click it. Okay, user agreement open ID, never care about that. Just hit I accept the agreement and you can click next. And then you have a bunch of options. So desktop icon, you already know what it is. Open with code basic ante, you can right click in your directory and open up that directory in VS Code. Instead of going, to VS Code, clicking new folder or open folder options, you can directly right click the folder you are in and then you can open that up in VS Code. And then the last one is the path, which is very important, which I've already shown you right before. So you should tick it for sure, guys. And I hit next. It shows some, what I'm installing on Kuntu. It will tell me some stuff. And I hit install and the same thing. It starts installing the VS Code software. So let it install. Okay, so we have finished the installation of VS Code. So, just click on finish and that will open up your VS Code. Now I want you to do this along with me. Just create a folder, any folder it could be. Right click in your directory and click on show more options and click the option open with code. If you have done everything exactly what I've said, you would see that option. If you don't see it, just make sure you follow the video again or else just comment your issue down there in the video. So you are going to write your first Python code. So I'm going to click this new file button. Okay, I'll zoom it a bit. I'll close this and I will click this new file button. That's it. I would say first underscore code.py. So this py extension marks a Python file. So ఎట్లయితే మీకు టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్స్కి .txt ఉంటుంది, జావా ఫైల్స్కి .java ఉంటుంది and appsకి .apq ఉంటుంది. For Python files, you have .py extension. Just remember that. Now, the first thing we are going to write is, as usual, print hello world. So let's just do print hello world. That's it. Okay, I'll print it again, don't worry. So this is your first code. How to execute it? Execute చేయడానికి ఏంటంటే you need terminal at this location. Hit Ctrl J on your laptops. That will open up your terminal. And I would run it using Python firstcode.py. Simple. I run it. It prints hello world 2 times. Congratulations, guys. You have installed Python. You've installed VS Code. And you ran your first Python program. Further videos will go in depth and in detail about how things are working in Python. And I believe that's it, guys. You finished the video. Okay, guys, in the next video, we would be covering some basic concepts of Python called variables and data types in Python. So this is a very basic stuff. I'm sure you'll enjoy it in the next video. So stay tuned, guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye.